Welcome to Void Walker. The main menu shows the title Void Walker and the tagline Explore the Infinite, Find the Anomaly. The user sees Start Expedition, Continue, How to Play, Leaderboard, and Settings. Continue is enabled only when a saved expedition exists. The How to Play screen explains the core controls. The user moves with WASD or the arrow keys, follows the red target arrow and decreasing distance, and searches for the glowing red anomaly. Reaching the anomaly awards 5000 points and reveals a new target. Blue dots mark the recent path, and escape saves the run and returns to the menu. The settings screen lets the user adjust visibility, maze complexity, and sound. Visibility can be torch, lantern, or lamp, changing how much of the maze is visible around the player. Maze complexity can be sparse, normal, or dense, changing how open or tight the generated maze feels. The sound checkbox turns audio feedback on or off. The leaderboard screen shows saved expedition results. Each row lists the rank, distance traveled, number of anomalies found, and total score. If no expeditions have been reported, the leaderboard shows no expeditions recorded. When the user starts an expedition, the interface becomes a dark maze with a small circle of visibility around the player. The maze is generated continuously as the player explores, giving the feeling of an endless void. The HUD shows run statistics in the top left, distance traveled, anomalies found, and score. The score grows from distance, time survived, and the 5000 point bonus for each anomaly found. At the top center, the objective display shows a red arrow and the distance to the current anomaly. The arrow rotates toward the target and the distance decreases as the player gets closer. A compass appears in the top right showing the player's movement direction. The player moves through corridors while the visible area follows them. Blue breadcrumb dots appear behind the player and fade over time, helping the user understand the route they recently traveled. The play hint at the bottom reminds the user to move with WASD or the arrow keys and follow the red arrow. As the player gets closer to an anomaly, the pulse indicator becomes visible and the red target feedback grows stronger. When the player reaches the glowing red anomaly, the screen flashes, the notice anomaly found appears, and the player receives the anomaly bonus. A new anomaly is then generated somewhere else in the maze. The game saves progress automatically during play. Pressing escape also saves the expedition and returns to the menu. From the menu, continue restores the player position, score, distance, anomaly count, and current target. If the run ends, the game over screen appears with the title Lost to the Void. It shows the final score and distance traveled, plus a small map of the path explored during the expedition. New expedition starts over, and Return to Void goes back to the menu. Void Walker is an atmospheric exploration game about moving through darkness, reading direction and distance, and pushing deeper into an infinite maze. Its value comes from the tension between limited visibility, persistent navigation, and the reward of finding each hidden anomaly.